What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I'm going to go over a company that a lot of you guys are very interested in, and that is Tesla. And the last few days on Thursday and Friday, Tesla has been crashing down from the moon to the bottom of the ocean. And in this video, I'm going to be going everything you guys need to know about Tesla, what is going on with it, and why it's crashing, and how you guys can reap in a lot of profits because of Tesla going down. And it is also going to be getting a great company at a very valuable price. And we're also going to be going over what's going on for Tesla in the next few weeks, which is Battery Day on September 22nd. And I'm going to be telling you guys what an excellent opportunity you have here to buy Tesla and what price you guys should be targeting, because it is going to be there very soon. And I think it's going to be at a very valuable price to get in, make your money, and even hold Tesla for a very long time, because I think Tesla is going to be a very, very profitable company, holding it long time, even 2 to 5 years, because Tesla is honestly not a car company. It is a tech company, and that is why Tesla will achieve farther goals than any other car company out there, because first of all, they are a tech company. So with that said, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's begin. So I'm sure you guys all heard that Tesla just recently announced a $5 billion offering, which pretty much means that they're selling $5 billion worth of their stock shares from the company to the public. And what's going on is, when usually a company has a offering, and that's pretty much what means they're selling their stock shares, that usually causes the stock price to go down pretty dramatically, especially based on what price they have set. And what they said is they're going to be slowly selling their stock. They're not doing it all at one time, but they are selling their shares at a heavy amount that's going to be worth up to $5 billion in value. And usually this causes a very huge tear to investors, and it causes a sell-off to go on. So that's what happened this week, starting on Monday, where Tesla announced their offering, and pretty much Tesla stock crashed pretty big, and it followed the whole week all along. And I think that also led to a huge problem with all the other companies that are tech companies and many other companies, which also started a downward spiral for all the other companies to follow through and go down, because if they see that Tesla, a huge company, already starting to go down, that really has an effect on the public as well, and it causes a little panic sell-off. And that's what happened on Thursday. We saw a huge sell-off, and then follow up by Friday, a little bit more sell-off. But Friday, it did recover, and we did see some new gains back into the market. Let's check out Tesla on stockcharts.com. So this is what's been happening. They announced their offering on September 1st, causing a huge panic sell. Within the next day, there was also another sell, and then also another sell on Thursday, and then Friday as well. And what happened is, on Friday, there's a huge recovery. It hit a nice recovery. It went down all the way to around $372, and then it recovered right back up to around $418, $20. And then what happened later on, what caused another panic sell-off, was a huge news was announced. And I'm going to go a little bit further down what it is. And that is, Tesla is not going to be getting into the S&P 500. And all this hype that was going on, where Tesla has been skyrocketing upwards, was mostly because a lot of investors were interested, because Tesla was going to be probably announced into the S&P 500, and a lot of people were very excited about that and saw a huge opportunity to cash in on buying Tesla. And that's what happened. And right now we're going to be on a very huge downward trend, and I want you guys to be prepared. And I'm going to show you along the lines of how much further the stock could go down. You know, on Thursday, I was watching, I'm like, if it breaks 400, this company will definitely follow through and hit 370 to 375, which was my next target zone. And it did. It broke through, and then the next day on Friday, it went all the way down to 375. And my next target right now, I believe Tesla could fall down all the way to around 320 to 325, somewhere there, maybe even 330, could be the next hard stop resistance support where Tesla has. And if this breaks be very prepared because Tesla has a huge chance of going to around $280-$90 price. And that is the next support, because if it breaks support here, forget about these. That's not going to do anything. It's going to go to the next support level, and that is here. And right now, as you can see, the RSI is still pretty heavy high. I wouldn't touch Tesla until I see it somewhere around here, which is around 37 to 42 RSI. I think is a great target zone to get back in. And this was a little bit a good price. 44 RSI was definitely not a really bad time to get in. And as we can see, we had a nice pop. So around 37 to, I guess you can push it to 45 RSI would be a great buying opportunity. What price is that you ask? I can't be set definite. It just really depends on how volatile the market is going to be the next coming days. And so like I said, if it breaks this support level right here, as you can see, it is going to be going down to the next support level, which is around here. And if you guys want to catalyze on that, just jump in around here, because that's the next support level, and it might go up from there, because I think by then the RSI should definitely be under 50 if it goes down right here. And as you can see, this is already in a sell-off zone. MACD has already converted. They already crossed over. This is a huge sell-off technical analysis. When you see this on the MACD crossing over, it means Tesla is going down. All right, don't expect it to go right back up. That is highly unlikely. It is most definitely going to be going down. As you can see, the true strength index, the TSI, has also crossed over, telling Tesla will be going down to probably around 36-ish level is what it's predicting. So anyways, if you guys want to capitalize on this, sorry for that error, capitalize on it, right? So you want to target your next buy zone, which is going to be around 280, it's going to be around 325 to 330. That is the next target zone where the next support is. I think definitely this coming week Tesla will most likely be continuously going down. Why? Because they got they're not getting into the S&P 500, all right? That's a huge problem for a lot of investors, and it's definitely going to go down because of that. That specific reason can cause Tesla to drop somewhere to between $50 to $100. So if you guys want to leverage your position and you have 100 shares, selling a put would be a pretty good option for you. Selling calls could be a good option. That's always a great way to leverage your position. Buying puts could be an option. That's another way to leverage your position as well. So maybe you want to buy a put, Tesla going down 50 to 100 bucks. Tesla moves a lot. No way to predict what side it's going and how much, because Tesla usually moves around $30 to $50 in a single trading day. And if that S&P news isn't that bad, it could probably go $100 down in a single trading day. So be very careful buying Tesla, because right now it is on a downward spiral, but there is some good news coming up. There is some hope for Tesla to go back up very soon again because of Battery Day, which is on September 22nd. So there is a good chance Tesla will start moving back up. How much up is unknown, but don't expect it to go back to 500. That is highly unlikely because of Battery Day, no matter how good their Tesla news is. But they said they're making some kind of battery that will charge within like 5 minutes. That's what was announced a long time ago. But we'll see if that's the true update of what Elon Musk has in store. I am a true believer for Tesla company. I really enjoy watching this company grow. I really like this company. I don't have shares in it, and I would love to buy some shares around 325. Even if it goes to 280, I'll definitely double down if it goes there. But I definitely want to start loading up some shares around 325 to 330 if Tesla goes there this coming week. And don't doubt me, because it could most likely happen, but just watch out. It could quickly go right back up. Don't think it's going to continuously die. And even if it does, you should always average down. That's one of my biggest things I tell everyone, is to always average down, never sell out of your position, because you'll never know when's the next chance it's going to go right back up. And with Battery Day coming up, best time to buy and watch it swing right back up. Probably back to around 400 to 430 is a good probability of where Tesla will be at around Battery Day. So stay tuned for that. Watch Tesla pretty closely and sharply. Let's go a little bit further down, because I do have some more news for you guys that I need you guys to be careful of this upcoming week. So like I mentioned, Tesla will not be added to the S&P 500. Here are the other stocks who were added and removed from the S&P 500. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys if you want to check out the website on all the stocks that were added and removed from the S&P 500, which some of them you should guys know is which H&R Block, Cody, and Kohl's were removed from the S&P 500 on Friday and replaced by Etsy, Teradyne, and Catalent, which none of them even equate to the market cap Tesla has, which caused Tesla a huge drop on Friday after hours, which was very, very massive. Like, that was a huge, massive drop on Tesla this Friday. So I just wanted you guys to know that Softbank was one of the huge investors in technology companies. They invested billions of dollars and they had billions of dollars worth in options. So I can expect to see the tech stock companies going down a little bit more this coming week. So be prepared to watch your stocks go down a little bit, because Softbank will definitely be selling out on and taking some of their profits in their tech companies that they had been making money on. And they might have a lot of options and stocks. So it could have a huge dramatic effect on the market this coming week, because SoftBank might be doing some sell-offs as well over there. Son is a very good investor. He's one of the owners of SoftBank, and he had a huge dip into the tech companies, and he's going to be erasing a lot of those gains on the tech companies. If you guys want to check out this article, I'll leave a link in the description below for this one, so you guys could check out a little bit more details about SoftBank and Sun and how much he was invested into this tech companies, the tech bubble, as you guys want to call it, because a lot of companies have been investing in tech and it has been growing up pretty steadily the past few months. I wanted you guys to know that Tesla not being added to the S&P 500 does not mean that Tesla will not get a chance now. I also heard one of the reasons could be that Tesla wasn't added to the S&P 500 was because they do not have enough shares available on the market, which a lot of these big ETFs like VOO, SPY, QQQ usually like to add. And if a company does not have enough shares available to the public, it usually does not get added to the S&P 500 as well. That could be another reason why Tesla might not have been added. Or the people who vote for Tesla to be added to the S&P 500 just haven't seen that Tesla was able to continuously keep making profits. And one of the ways to get into the S&P 500 is that your company needs to be profitable down the line as well, and not just 4 quarters straight. Just 4 quarters is just a baseline, but people definitely want to see that your company is able to make profitable gains quarter after quarter, year after year, in order to be included in the S&P 500, especially if they're going to be adding a lot of shares to the ETF, because Tesla is a huge company and I think they will be putting a lot of percentage into the S&P 500 along with Apple and Microsoft. So it could be a good reason that these people didn't add Tesla, and you should not be let down, because there's definitely a future chance for Tesla probably being added into the S&P 500. Probably around next year. Don't expect it to be within the next 5-6 months. It could take about another year for Tesla getting its second chance to be added into the S&P 500. Thanks again for watching my videos. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, because you know you want to, and you want to follow me, because I got a lot of great videos coming up ahead just for you guys. And also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily, so if you want to be part of that, make sure to add me there. I also post any trades I make throughout the week on Instagram. Anything I buy and sell and I find value in something, I post it there on Instagram, so you guys can follow that as well and follow what I do. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys own any Tesla shares or if you plan on buying more. And let me know what other stocks you would like me to cover as well for future videos. Also, if you want 2 free stocks from the stock market, WeBull gives 2 free stocks. One for just signing up to use their platform, and a second stock for when you make a deposit of $100 or more, and they'll give you a second stock worth up to $1,400 on WeBull. Link in description below if you want 2 stocks from WeBull. Also, if you want another free stock, Robinhood gives a free stock. Check the link in description below for Robinhood. You don't have to make any deposits on Robinhood, and you get a free stock just for signing up. Thanks again for watching my videos, and until next time, make money with Mike.